Hey kids, let's learn about the farm animals.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had some horses, E-I-E-I-O. And he also had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. And he also had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. And he also had a rabbit, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had some chickens, E-I-E-I-O. And he also had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. His animals love to sing and crow all day and all night long. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some animals, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. His animals love to sing and crow all day and all night long.